Very good morning, my dear lovely children. Welcome back to this class, English class. Today's class, you are going to learn grammar lesson. Okay? So, I am your English teacher, myself Shanti ma'am. Okay? This is your grammar book, dear children. This is your grammar book, Cambridge School Grammar. Okay? So open this book, dear children, page number 7. Open it, page number 7. So today you are going to learn about nouns too. Okay, simply you can say you are going to learn about common and proper noun. So what are common nouns and what are proper nouns? So dear children, so today we are going to learn what are common nouns and what are proper nouns. Okay, so let's see. So let's get started. Get set. Say the name of your favorite person, place or thing listed below. So here you can see first we have to learn. We are going to learn what is proper noun and what is common noun. Okay children, so here you can see the idea, you can see the answer. Okay, nouns to proper noun and common noun. First you have to listen carefully. Here you can see proper nouns means special name. So dear children, proper nouns are also called special noun, okay, special names. Okay, so then this side you can see common noun. Common noun means general names. There is no special names. For common noun, dear children, there is no special names. So children, in your lesson number 1, grammar lesson number 1, you have learnt about nouns. Okay, what are nouns? So once again you have to recollect of nouns. What are nouns, dear children? So what are nouns? All naming words are called nouns. Okay, nouns refers to a place. Okay, nouns refers to a place, animal, people or a thing. Nouns names a person, names an animal, names a place or names an idea or thing. Okay children. So in this chapter you are going to learn what are proper noun, common noun. So mainly nouns divided into two parts. Mainly two parts. Okay. So one is proper noun and another one is common noun. Okay. So proper nouns means special nouns or special names. So proper nouns means special names, dear children, and common nouns means general names. There is no special names for common nouns. Okay, commonly we can say the names. Here you can see some examples for proper nouns. You can see Arun, Manu, Ritu, Manvit, Vedika, Sunday, March, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Diwali, Vivek, etc. So in this side, common nouns, you can see, dear children, cartoon, food, city, school, month, girl, dog, place, day, etc. So here, observe, you have to concentrate here, dear children. Okay, concentrate on these words. First, proper noun, you can see A capital, Manu M capital, Ritu R capital, Manvit M capital, Vedika V capital, Sunday S capital, March M capital, K capital, Karnataka K capital, Goa G capital, D capital, Vivek V capital. And this side you can see common nouns place. Okay, all the words begin with small letters. Okay, look at this side. See, cartoon is a small word, food is a small word, small letter, and city is also begins with small letter, and here school small letter S, and M, G, D, P, D. So this side, okay, all the words start with small letter. So always you have to remember, dear children, proper noun, okay, proper nouns always begin with capital letters. Okay, children. Okay. Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. So easily you can identify which one is proper and which one is not a proper noun. You can identify easily, dear children. Okay. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letters. Look at this side, you can see. So these capital letters are also called special names. Okay, special names. For example, here you can see city. City. For all cities we are calling cities only. For example, Bangalore is also city. Karnataka, Mumbai is also city. Goa is also city. Then Chennai is also city. Okay. So Kerala is also city. But every for this is city is a common name, but this Karnataka, Bangalore, Mumbai, Goa, so these names are particular names. Okay, names are in particular names. Okay, is called proper nouns. Okay, so school means school means general name, common noun. But St. John's School means proper noun. Okay, there is a special name. Okay, all schools we are calling schools only. Okay, all schools like here also you can see so many schools in Davangere. We are calling all the schools schools. Okay, but particular each schools has special names, dear children. Like Tarlabalu is a name, specific name. Like St. John's is a special name, right? So you have to keep in mind proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. That's it. So proper noun is a special noun, common noun is a general names. Okay. Now look at here, get set. Say the name. Okay, page number 7. Say the name of your favorite person, place or thing listed below. Here you can see, okay, some boxes are given here. In this box you have to write the proper noun, because here common noun is given here. Okay, common nouns are given here. You, for these common nouns, what you have to do, you have to write proper nouns. For example, here you can see a man. So a man means Sachin. Otherwise you can write any other names here. For example, Arjun also you can write. Okay, children. Okay, a man, Arjun. Next, here you can see a day, any one of the day. So we all know that 7 days. Okay, in a week 7 days are there. What are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Again Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so we all have how many days? So 7 days, right, children? So here any one of the day name. So Monday you can write here. Next one, a cookie, any one of the cookie name, right? Chocolate, chocolate. Okay, then shop, any shop name, any one of the shop name, RVK shop, any one of the otherwise cake shop, any one of the shop name right here. And town means any one of the town name right here, for example Jaipur, any one of the right. Okay, then next juice, mango juice, apple juice, any one of the. So now look at these words: A capital, C capital, J capital, M capital, RVK capital, M capital. Okay, so these words are called proper nouns. Always proper nouns begins with capital letters. Next, let us read. Okay, read after with me. Do you like cookies? So this is the conversation between one boy and a dog. Okay, do you like cookies? The boy is asking to the dog. Yes, I love cookies. I love Cremo cookies. So here Cremo cookies is the proper noun. They are yum. Yum means yummy, very sweet, tasty, like that. Okay, so next here you can see, do you like television shows? I love watching the Chubby Kitten show. Okay, Chubby Kitten show. Okay, starts with the capital letter. So this is the proper noun. So television shows, this is the common noun. Which park shall we go to on Sunday? Okay, here you can see park is the place name but common noun. Here Sunday is the capital letter, so this is the proper noun. Next, let us go to Lal Bagh. Lal Bagh, here look at this, observe this one. L is capital and B is also capital, so this is the proper noun, dear children. Now all the words in italics are nouns. The words cookies, television shows and park are general names of places and things. Such general names of people, places and things are called common nouns. Okay, so television shows, park and this site. Okay, so these words are common nouns and also it is called general names. Okay, next, the words Cremo cookies, Chubby Kitten show and Lal Bagh names of particular people, places or things. Such specific names of people, places and things are called proper nouns. So here you can see Chubby Kitten show, Lal Bagh, Sunday. These all are proper nouns, dear children. Special names, proper specific names, particular names, and also remember proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Now next page number 9. Okay, we will do only this page for today's class. Let us practice. Color the common nouns red and the proper nouns in blue. So already one proper noun and one common noun as done for you. Okay children, Sunday is a day's name, so Sunday is the proper noun, so blue color. Then here red color because it is a common noun, there is no special name of river. Okay, next one phone name, special name ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫೋನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಸಂಗ್ ಫೋನ್, then Vivo phone. Okay, there is many names are there. Okay, but here simply phone is there is no special name, so it is also common noun. Then MV school, observe this one now dear children. M is also capital, V is also capital and S is also capital. So what is this dear children, tell me? Proper noun. Okay, like that you have to do all these. Okay, all these words you have to find out whether it is common nouns or proper nouns. Okay children, MG ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಈಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಈಚ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್. ಡ್ರಾ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ದೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ, so here see day, Monday. School, Little Angels School. Month, August. Festival, Diwali. Girl, Anamika. Dog, Bruno. You have to match it. This one also I'll give as a homework. Okay, do as a homework. So one I'll do for you. Yes, school means Little Angel School. So this is the common noun, and this side capital letters, so proper noun. Okay children, so this much is enough for today's class. Okay, learn and practice. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you have to call me in the evening time. Okay, so bye children, take care. See you again in the next class. Stay home and stay safe. Take care dear children. Bye.